what are the different ways to send messages and the journey of sending messages. Here, in earlier time, people they used hollow logs and they beat it. That means through beating of a drum or a log, one can send messages. Then, through smoke, people used to send messages. A blanket was placed over a smoking fire. When the blanket was removed, a puff of smoke rose into the air. Each pattern of puffs meant something different. So, in this way, people used to send messages through smoke. Then, written messages. That means, with the help of feather, people started writing. Written messages became the first mail. Written messages became the first mail. Then comes the first mail carriers carried mail by foot. The first mail carriers carried mail by foot. These runners ran long distances to carry mail. Okay. Then comes later horses were used to carry mail. This way of carrying mail was also called the Pony Express. Trains then replaced horses. Then mail is still carried today. Most mail is now carried on trucks and planes. So it is very interesting to know. Then telegraph came. Over 150 years ago, a man found way to send signals over a wire. His invention was called the telegraph. His name was Samuel Morse. The signals he used were known as Morse code. This code was a series of dots and dashes. Each dot or dash was heard as a signal. So, in this way, telegraph invented by Samuel Morse. Then telephone. A little more than 30 years after the invention of telegram, someone invented the telephone. This person was named Alexander Graham Bell. Using the telephone, people could send voice messages over a wire. Today, voice messages are sent through the air on radio waves. Isn't it interesting? Now, let us see walkie-talkie and cell phone. Walkie-talkie, that means we can talk while we walk. Once, people found ways to send signals through the air. Without air, new kinds of message senders were invented. One kind was the walkie-talkie. It got its name because you did not have to stay in one place to use it. You could walk and talk. Today, many people carry wireless telephones called cell phones. These phones are very small and can be carried in a pocket. Now people can make phone calls from just about anywhere. Isn't it interesting? Now what came? Email. The latest way to send messages is the internet messages are called email, which is short form of electronic mail. Email is sent from one computer to another. It is much faster than regular mail. An email can be sent to someone on the other side of the world in an instant. So, is not it interesting? Just go through it, listen it, and have a wonderful time.